Ever wondered how sports betting works? Whether you work in customer service for a betting company or you're just interested, we can help break it down. The first thing is stake. Think of stake as the bet. It's the amount of money the player is putting on the line. The higher the stake, the bigger the potential win. Number 2 is odds. Odds represent the probability of an event happening. Higher odds mean a lower probability, but also a higher potential payout. Lower odds mean a higher probability, but a lower potential payout. The third thing is winnings. If the bet is won, the winnings are calculated by multiplying the stake by the odds. For example, if the player bets $10 on a team with odds of 2.5 and they win, the player will get $25. Finally, we have markets. Markets are the different options you can bet on. For a football match, markets could include the winner, total goals, or who will score first. Each market has various options, and each option has its own odds. Imagine a bet placed on Real Madrid versus Villarreal with a stake of $100. The market chosen is winner of the match, and Real Madrid to win was picked at 1.45 odds. If Real Madrid wins the match, the winning will be $145, which is gotten by multiplying the stake of $100 by the odds of 1.45. Now you have a solid foundation in sports betting. Check out any of our previous videos to increase your communication skills.